relapse and let this like I'm more. You in between. Want you up the way, that you buy where you like it. It's like me to try it. Just relapse and let this I'm more. Keep in between. Break it again. Wait. Break it again. Break it again. Wait. Break it again.
Ready? That ain't gonna go. I'm gonna pause the other way.
Just want you up the way round. That you buy where you like it. It's like me to try it. Just relax and let it.
We booted up like that now.
You can't tell me that's not aesthetically pleasing.
Why is it? This is a screwdriver?
Yeah, it screws in like that.
No, this is a bed foot. Isn't it?
Oh, screwdriver? Oh, not an actual screwdriver. I thought you just meant like...
That's the bed feet?
Yeah. I thought you just meant like it screw in like... I'm sorry.
Trying to trick me.
But anywho, look at that. You can't tell me that's not aesthetically pleasing, bro. It's just perfect.
Oh yeah, so good. I promise it is. Bro, I'm about to get my phone, so it's because it's so great. Oh, this bed is not on the floor. It's elevated?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good, because the other one wasn't really in, because it has feet. I have this thing, hold on. These bed risers. I've had these forever, for 2 years, and I've never been able to use them because my bed didn't have feet. So, maybe we can use this. Bed raises 5 inches, and then we can put storage under. Let's see. So I've had these for like 2 years and never used them because we didn't have any feet on our bed.
That is... Oh, that helps lift the bed up?
Yeah, that way if you wanted to like store something under, which we probably could. If we, especially we have those bins, we could put other bedding under the bed. Because they know we're really supporting right now, you know? If it's like obviously not enough space already.
Mm-hmm. But they don't have what though? They got 2 of those.
So that's not feet.
I mean, it kind of is. I mean, it sits on that, but it don't got 4 of them. It sits on this, and it's gonna sit on that. You can, I mean, you probably can still use it.
You have to have feet for it.
Oh, just pushing it.
What?
Just pushing it. It'll barely fit in there.
What are you talking about?
Because we put it on the bottom, bro. I'm measuring it. I'm measuring it if it can fit in there.
Why don't you just measure it by actually putting it in instead of putting it all against it? That don't make no sense. That thing gonna be wobbling. We'll see when it's done. I take it you miss Pentecostal?
What's that?
I don't know what you're saying.
So what you told saying?
I ain't black. I'm gonna song?
You don't know this song?
No.
Y'all didn't do music like this, right?
We did, but not in this version. Haitian.
This is really cool over here. I just roll them out.
Quickly. That, see, it's still not enough space.
Dang, bro.
So we're moving this rug, moving it out of the living room and into the bedroom so that it doesn't go to waste, especially since we still have a couple stains. Those stains are going to be covered by the bed.
Oh, yeah, perfect.
Multi-purpose. You need help? You got to lift it.
Well, I mean, I got to... easier.
Careful.
Huh?
Careful. Yeah.
There we go. Oh man, I wish I had some help, y'all, but
You don't. So sad. So sad.
all right.
So it's literally gonna go like to the half mark of the bed, and then the rest come out. So how we gonna do this? Just lift the bed. You just hold it up over your head, and I put no carpet down.
You know what? I think
Shake it out when you get down.
Huh?
Shake it out like it does before you like put it back up.
Oh.
Exactly. Oh, that looks so good. Yeah, I like that a lot.
What's up?
Nothing, Jake.
Oh. What are you saying, bro?
I'm like talking to you, bro. Talking to the vlog. Okay. The vlog. Talking to the wall. Anyways, y'all, so it's Saturday, March the 11th, and we are working hard. This is where we are right now, just getting some things together. I need a big plant, but for now I'm gonna have to use that. But I do want a more grander plant. This plant, I don't mind it, but it has to be elevated. It's like too low. I want it to be up. What?
I need more anchors. Let me see if some over here, but I doubt it.
You can't use the one that you already used? Anywho, I'll pick y'all back up in a second. I have to change the memory card out. And we already ate breakfast, but why do I feel hungry?
Actually, maybe I can actually.
I know you can.
I mean, it's gonna leave a bigger hole in the wall.
I don't care nothing about
that.
that. I don't care nothing about that.
I mean, that's what it's gonna look like now. For a little bit.
I don't care nothing about that.
Alright, I'll see if I can use it.
Let's get them things up. This living room is gonna change. We're gonna do some moving and getting rid of. Now we need a new rug for in here, which we're gonna have to figure out. We're gonna have to figure out. I just realized we're gonna have to figure out a new rug for in the living room too.
Say what?
We're gonna have to figure out a new rug system in the living room.
Yeah. No, that's when we switch it all up. Right, move the TV over there. Blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, that'll be the next project. Right now it's all about the bed.
So we're gonna do some kitchen?
Yeah. After the bed done though.
Alright, I got some.
So that we could just say, okay, you know what, that one's done.
Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah.
Because we don't, only thing we need for the bedroom is the frames and the pictures.
Gotcha.
Those are things we don't have yet. That's
Right.
easy. Pictures, probably gonna be $10. Frames, we got a gift card if we go to at home.
Okay, so that's, I mean, that's, you know, that's what I meant by a stopping point, so that'd be great. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, once the curtain's up, then we can say, okay, you know what, yep, this is how much picture frames will be better in that space. Because the curtains are gonna frame it out. Like the whole scaling of the room. As far as like any type of knick-knack decor, I'm just gonna use what we have because there's so much stuff in these bins. I'm not gonna overdo it, but I just definitely want that plant. I don't mind using that plant, but I need it to be elevated, so I have to put something under it. I want it to look like it's taller than what it is. The plant that's in the room right now.
Oh, you want to put something on it so it's pretty taller?
Yeah, because right, you know, it was always in the room, but you couldn't even tell.
Oh, okay. Put it in that little stool thing.
No, it needs to be elevated from the inside of the pot. Like it's sitting in a pot right now.
Oh, you need,
I need something to put in the pot to make it bigger, and I could cover it up.
Oh, okay.
Oh shoot! Whoa, buddy, sorry. Eventually, I want a real plant when we have a house.
We have a house.
So we can water it and everything.
I can put one of them up right now, but I'm not gonna reuse the whatchamacallit because it's already split.
Go ahead. You can put the one.
I can do one. Which one you want?
That one.
This one.
So took the curtains out of the living room because we have new curtains, and the rod goes good with the room anyways. So I once upon a time had gold rods, but I never put them up, so I end up selling them to Cece actually. But anyways, so next project. These are all of my flats and sandals. I had to transfer them out of this pink ottoman because it no longer matches our room. So we're going to take those out. These are not supposed to be in there at all, but yeah, we're going to take these out completely and just transfer them in this bin right here. There you go. And this is gonna slide under the bed and be done. All right, you guys, we are back from shopping. We picked up these frames from at home. They were $17 a piece. Oh, it looks actually really nice in the room.
Oh wow!
Against the wall and everything.
You had to see it.
Yep. So, trying to figure out, are they going horizontally or vertically? I vote vertical.
Yeah, of course.
It just gives more height to that area.
Absolutely. You know what I noticed when I put these curtains up? It's actually taller.
What?
It feels taller when these curtains up.
The room?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why you never put it on the. You never put the curtains actually where the curtains start. You always go above. Technically, it's supposed to go a little bit higher, but because the height of this, I didn't want it to. And I want to use these curtains, and it hits right there perfectly. Yeah, gadi.
So, horizontal. And it's not going to be, obviously it's going to be up, but, you know, spread out a little bit more.